Within the context of their ongoing dispute with the winery, Brad Pitt has accused Angelina Jolie of engaging in intrusive behaviour. Jolie's legal team has requested that Pitt disclose any conversations he had with third parties regarding the family plane flight that occurred in 2016, which led to Jolie filing for divorce. This request is part of the ongoing legal dispute regarding Jolie's sale of the French winery Chateau Miraval, which was owned by the former couple. In newly released court records, the attorneys for Pitt refer to Jolie's inquiries as wide-ranging and intrusive, as well as a sensationalist fishing expedition. One of their requests was that her motion be rejected. Specifically, they assert that Pitt voluntarily offered to produce documents sufficient to show everything that occurred on the flight that precipitated the ex-couple's divorce. This is the event that Jolie claims caused Pitt's request for a non-disclosure agreement to be so insulting in this context. His lawyers added, Jolie, however, rejected Pitt's compromise and moved to compel his communications with third parties, including his most trusted advisors about such sensitive issues as the therapy he voluntarily undertook after the flight incident in an effort to better himself, drug and alcohol testing he has allegedly undergone, his alleged overuse or abuse of alcohol, and other actions taken in the aftermath of the flight. A judge ordered in May that Jolie is had to submit 8 years' worth of non-disclosure agreements that she has inked. This decision was taken as part of the dispute around the winery. When Pitt decided to leave the winery, his solicitors have stated that he offered to buy her shares of the business, but she declined the offer because of a non-disclosure agreement. His side intends to demonstrate that the use of non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, is a common practice in the business world by having her reveal her history of using NDAs. Her legal team, on the other hand, has asserted that Pitt's non-disclosure agreement, NDA, offered to her was extensive and would have contractually tied her to silence on his alleged domestic violence, which she declined to do. Back in 2019, a judge ruled that Jolie and Pitt were no longer legally married to each other. They have 6 children together: Maddox, who is 22 years old, Pax, who is 20 years old, Zahara, who is 19 years old, Shiloh, who is 18 years old, and Vivian and Knox, who are twins and are 16 years old.